Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of English for Beginners.
Yes, hello. Today's topic is really important. How to think in English without translating in your head.
Many beginners translate every single word from their native language into English. This makes speaking very slow and stressful.
Exactly. In this podcast, we'll teach you step by step how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Teaching point. Translating in your head creates a delay and mistakes. Thinking in English makes speaking natural. Interactive moment. Ask listeners, think of the word apple. Did you see a picture of the fruit or did you translate it into your language? We want you to see the picture, not the translation.
Let's talk about why learners translate.
The main reason is you learned English through your first language. You memorized word lists with translations.
And that's normal at the beginning, but to reach fluency, we must change this habit.
Example, I have 25 years from Spanish or French influence instead of I am 25 years old. Teaching point. Direct translation doesn't always work. Interactive practice. Listeners repeat correct phrases after hosts.
Why should we think in English?
Because it helps you speak faster, understand faster, and feel more confident.
Also, you stop worrying about grammar every second. You just speak.
Exercise. Hosts ask listeners to say a quick answer. What's your favorite color? Pause for 5 seconds. Teaching point. Don't translate, just answer naturally.
Let's give you some real strategies.
Number 1. Learn phrases, not single words.
For example, instead of just book, learn I'm reading a book.
Number 2. Use pictures and actions. When you learn run, imagine yourself running. Don't translate.
Number 3, shadowing. This means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately, like an echo.
Good morning. How are you? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. What time is it?
You can practice thinking in English every day, even when you're alone.
Yes. Technique 1, internal monologue. Talk to yourself in English. Example, I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm drinking water.
Technique 2, journaling. Write 3 to 4 sentences in English every day.
Technique 3, media immersion. Listen to podcasts, songs, watch movies in English only.
Hosts guide listeners to describe their room in English. Look around. What do you see? Say, I see a table. I see a chair. I see my phone.
Hello, welcome. What would you like?
I'd like a sandwich and a coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Some common mistakes. 1. Thinking too much about grammar. 2. Being afraid of mistakes. 3. Translating every word.
Remember, mistakes are normal. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Pretend question from a listener. How long does it take to think in English? Answer. With daily practice, a few months, but consistency is key.
So today we learned why translating is a problem, how to think directly in English, daily techniques, and we practiced conversations.
Keep practicing every day. Even 10 minutes of English thinking is powerful.
Thank you for listening.
And remember, don't translate, just think in English. See you next time.